What's up, Peak Timers? Today we are reviewing the Tesla Model 3, and this is the brand new red recolor. We originally saw this in white. It's from the Hot Wheels Green Speed Series, car number 1 of 5, and it is car number 174 of 250 from the 2019 Hot Wheels set. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Here we go. And I love this casting when it was released in white. Now we got the red color, which looks equally as good. Check it out. Gorgeous looking in the red. And it's got the same wheels that the white one was released in. And these are kind of like Testa-esque wheels. I kind of like them. From the front end, nice Tampa work on there. Great looking clear roof all the way down. Black interior, good Tampa work on the back of it as well. A great looking casting if you like the Tesla Model 3. Let me know in the comments down below, do you like the Tesla Model 3 or do you like something else?